What's going on, guys? So got the Supra rack from the body shop. It's looking good. Today the goal is to put the 97 98 tail lights, the center caps for the wheels, clean up the wheels a little bit. The car's been sitting in the body shop for over a year, and it's a little bit dirty. So we're gonna be cleaning the interior today and changing the tail lights from the 93, which are black housing, to the 97 98. Alright guys, so these are the caps. Like I said, the rims are not in good condition, so the goal is to get these polished just like the 97 98 specs. I'm not too sure on the silver yet, but I'm gonna be getting new caps later on down the road, because they do sell these in brand new and polished. So let's go ahead and put that on. And that's my watchdog right there. Alright, so basically these are the caps that go into the center of the wheels. There you go. So these are the staggered set. Very rare wheels. Originally when I got the wheels, when I originally got the car, it had some different other wheels on it. If you guys want to see the previous videos of which wheels came on the car, I believe they were G35 wheels. But yeah, let's go ahead and put the other cap on and alright. Now it looks like a Supra. Goal is to get new tires as well. These tires are dry rotted. Just had them there on the shed. He no longer owned the Supra, so I went ahead and made him an offer and took the wheels. So the goal with the car is to keep it stock. I do want to go single turbo, but for now I want to get the car running. I want to drive the car. So the goal is to go 2JZ non-VVTi. I know I previously said that I wanted to do the VVTi swap, but I see too many complications in putting the VVTi engine in this car. And with the non-VVTi, it's gonna be a smoother swap. Basically everything is already on all the harness and all that stuff is already on the engine. Because this car is an original B160. 2JZ non-VVTi twin turbo. So let's go ahead and put in the other two caps and we'll move on to the tail lights. Alright guys, so these are the 97 98 brand new tail lights. You also need the harness, the new harness for the 97 98, in order to install them on this 93 Supra. So as you see, there's the screw there and a screw here. So all we have to do is just remove those two screws and the lights should pop right out. Let's go ahead and put it there for now. Let's go ahead and remove this one now. So here are the tail lights. Again, you got 2 screws, one right there and the other one right there. So let's go ahead and remove these out and change the harness, put the bulbs in, and put the new tail light, and we will compare this one, which is a 93, and the 98 on this side. In through there, so you have to take off the plastic in order to get to the harness here in the trunk. So let's go ahead and remove those tabs and pull this a little bit, unplug it, and take that harness out and put the new harness in. All right, guys, so I went ahead and took off the caps, and it has some screws, so you got to make sure you take those screws out. Once you take off the screws, the harness is connected to that plug right there. Maybe it can focus. There you go. So all you got to do is unplug it, and then the rubber grommet, you have to push it out. And let's go ahead and do this with 2 hands. Let me take that out real quick and I'll show you guys now. Alright, so I went ahead and pulled it out. As you can see, full harness is out. So let's go ahead and put the new one in. And we'll go ahead and change that out. So the 97, 98 is in, and this is the 93, 96. Also notice the reverse housing is also different than their 97, 98, as you can see. So let's go ahead and remove this side now. And alright, so I went ahead and removed the right side. It's a little bit more of a challenging just because of the key. You have to kind of like toggle it a little bit there, but nothing major. So let's go ahead and take out the harness and install the new harness, and we should be able to go ahead and install the tail light. Alright, so the 97 tail light's already in, and they look freaking awesome. They look way better. Let's go ahead and lower the hatch. Show you guys how the back end looks now, the rear end. So it looks way better. Alright guys, well I was going to clean the interior today, so I'm going to leave it for another episode. I appreciate you guys watching, and make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. And the new episode should be out in the next 2 days from now. I'm going to be cleaning the interior and cleaning the wheels a little bit more, and then we move on to the engine bay in the next episode after that one. Alright, appreciate you guys watching, and make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Thanks.